If you want to download this photo, you can find the link in the description. Make the foreground color black and the background color white. Select the gradient tool. Select the foreground to background gradient. Select the radial gradient. Create a solid color layer. Pick a color. This can be any color you want. Select the mask of the color fill layer. Create a circle. You can use the point in the middle to move the circle. You can adjust the size with this point on the outside of the circle. And you can make the edges more or less smooth with the midpoint. And that's how you create this solid colored vignette.